In a recent address, Zimbabwe's Vice President Chiwenga made headlines by affirming his support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa, stating he is not prepared to take over the reins of power. Sara mdamba shikwamdanyo panapa ashamsa vanhu anobuda muzana nhasi aiwa anyungwa nawo kumune mzimu ai before subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina nomwe kwa mchinzi. This declaration has sparked discussions about the current political landscape in Zimbabwe and the dynamics within the ruling party. Chiwenga emphasized the stability of leadership in Zimbabwe, stating President Mnangagwa will continue to lead us until he decides to step down. Chiwenga emphasized the stability of leadership in Zimbabwe. His comments reflect a commitment to continuity and the highest level of government, which he believes is essential for the nation's progress. The Vice President underscored the importance of focusing on governance that prioritizes development. No one else will take over the leadership. We are now focused on politics that prioritize development and progress, he remarked. This statement highlights a clear message that despite potential speculation about succession, the current administration is dedicated to advancing the country's development agenda. Chiwenga's remarks come at a time when Zimbabwe is navigating various challenges, including economic difficulties and social unrest. By affirming his support for Mnangagwa, he aims to reassure citizens and the party loyalists that the government remains united and committed to its objectives. Do machikwana panapa vanashamsika vachiona kuti aiwa vanhu zvari kuona kuti matensions zvari kuwanda vachiona as if Vice President Chiwenga vari kutoda chinhu vatoda chigaro vari kuona his speech yaanodeliver achiti aiwa Mnangagwa ndiye acharamba achitonga kusvika azoti auda kustepa down. Vari kuona iti maybe anenge ada kuzvidzivirira kana kuchengetedza upenyu hwake, we never know. What is mafungiro emo tikudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Mina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.